name is Leona Forde and I am the author of the Milly McCarthy series, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about my €1.50 book for World Book Day 2026. It's called Milly McCarthy and the St. Patrick's Day Pandemonium. The books are about a young girl called Millie from Cork who is a complete rebel. Her dad says she's a complete catastrophe. She is always getting into mischief. In this book, Millie and her class have been chosen to represent Scollawn in the St. Patrick's Day parade. They decide to create a float around Irish myths and legends, and Millie really wants to be Queen Maeve, but instead she's chosen as the back end of the Brown Bull of Coulee. She decides she's going to do her best, but lots of things happen on the day. Ellie Jones causes a stink, Ronan Slitter goes flying through the air, and the parade ends up in the biggest pile-up that Ballybrogan has ever seen. But is any of this Millie's fault? You'll have to read the book to find out.